In case uzwa hayi ngingunolali-ke sana, ndishuthela emnyango-ke namhlanje, kuney'nkomo apha, kunembuzi apha. So-ke sithanda sami, xa usiva iy'nkomo zithi more on my background, know ukuba kumandi apha, nelayiti yami imane ibhanyabhanyaza, i-switch on and off. I am using a natural light today, right? Ngangishilo ukuthi ezinye izindaba yazi zidinga umkhuleko more than ukuthi silalele indaba nje kuphelele lapho. Nayi indaba.
Hello, sanibonani, Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Angifuni ukuyiculela ngoba ayideserve iculo le, ayikho mnandi neze. Kodwa-ke ingenile asizi ukuthi ithini. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share. Kanti-ke okubaluleke kunakho konke ukuthi ungawaskiphi ama-adverts. It's a story time. Galanqa sesiphakathi. Uthi usisi, ngilala ngamaphilisi every day. Ever since le ndaba yenzakalile ngilala ngamaphilisi okulala, nginenqoba ama-painkillers, angazi noma ngiphefumule noma ngiyeke ukuphefumula noma ngiplothe itulo elithile lokuziphindiselela, angazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Kodwa okusalayo ngiyanikhuza, yekelani ukuba oBob the Builder, ngoba oBob the Builder bahlala kwima-shacks avuzayo, oBob the Builder. Owami umkhukhu ngikhuluma nawe nje uyavuza uyagxagxaza, angikwazi ngisho ukulala. Uthi ngihlangane noMogai, is my childhood sweetheart in a way. Sihlala ngandawonye amakhaya wethu indawo eyi-1, sikhule ndawonye, sakhula saze safikelela e-high school la bekade sifunda khona soyi-2. Masifunda e-high school soyi-2 saqeda, sithe mase siyoqeda nje ka-grade 11-ke kwasho ukuthi uBhutiza phela usekakhulakhulile, useyabona waqala wabeka amabili amathathu, wathi siyophela nje umatric sabe sesiyijolela. Kwasho ukuthi-ke mina ngizalelwa uClever, kunongqeqe nje ola ey'ntweni, wathi lalela la wena, ngiyakubona ukuthi sowusile wena. Wavele wangiqhuba wangise eklinikhi mfi isitofo nje, wathi nje angifune kwamzukulu, ngifuna ukuthi ufunde uqede ukwazi ukuzimela uzizale mzukwane, so ready for ukuzala. Ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi usugijima nalo mfana wakazibanibani, ubhizi nalo mfana wakazibanibani. Uthi kanti-ke ngaleso sikhathi Nkosi yami sasingeve siziphethe kahle sinodale, ngoba phela-ke njengoba besikhulele endaweni yasemakhaya nje, bekuyihlazwana nje ukuthi bekuyihlazo nje ukumitha usafunda isikole, so bekuba naloko nje uthela abazali bakho ngehlazo and everything. So-ke kwenzeke ukuthi sifunde ndawonye, sivele nje sibe serious, sifunde more than ukujola. Sasijola ukujola kodwa sasingazenzi into zabantu abadala, sasiyiphethe kahle, I don't wanna lie. Sasiyiphethe kahle, even though my mother wangihlakaniphela-ke ukuthi-ke mase kufika leso sikhathi, ngoba into zabantu abadala sesaqala ukuzenza sesifunde tertiary, ngoba uthi nase-tertiary kwenzeka ukuthi safunda umatric, sasikwi-study group esiyi-1, sifunda ndawonye, si-focus, si-serious, sikwi-study group esiyi-1, sifunda ama-subjects afanayo. Safunda masiqeda-ke lo matric-ke sathola ilokhunjana-ke iy'khala-ke zokuyofundela-ke e-tertiary-ke, masihamba siyofunda sawufunda ngisho e-university eyi-1. Wafika uBhutiza wenza akwenza, nami ngenze ngakwenza. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi imikhakha vele yayisimila, ngoba ngisho iy'fundo sasizenza e-high school bezithi azifani, so imikhakha yethu ibingahlukile kakhulu. Ngicela ukungayisho imikhakha abayenza. Uthi hhayi-ke sifunde siqede siphase kahle, futhi nangonyaka esigraduate ngawo, sigraduate ngonyaka oyi-1. Ama-families wethu sengama-family friends nje because of us. Sekuyabonakala nje ukuthi kusho ukuthi thina sizile zinto nje ezine-future nje, yabo ile future nje e-straight nje, straight line future yethu iqondile, ayidingi koniwa. Uthi hhayi-ke nangempela-ke kube njalo-ke sifunde siqede sigraduate. Uthi masiqeda ukugraduate-ke mina-ke before ngigraduate, ngoba i-course engangiyenzile yayidimanda ukuthi ngiyokwenza i-INSERV 6 months before ngigraduate, yena wayenza i-course straight nje engadingi i-INSERV. So ngahamba-ke ngayokwenza i-INSERV. Mangifike ngenza i-INSERV la engayenza khona i-INSERV ngayiphatha kahle, futhi nakhona bangithanda abaphathi, ngangisebenza ngokuyimisela. Nhlanhla leyo baphinde bangibiza mese ngigraduate ukuthi angiphinde ngiyosebenza kuleya nkampani after ngenze khona i-INSERV, ngoba babe ney'khala zama-junior positions aye avuleka at that particular point in time. Inkampani nje enkulu le malwandle e-registered ko-JSE enama-branches all over South Africa, and i-headquarter yayo le kampani le i-overseas. Uthi kuhambe kahle ngiyasebenza la enkampanini bayangithanda and uma ngisebenza enkampanini ngirenke up fast nje ngiphume from junior position ngingene la ngikhuthele ngisebenza ngokuy'nikela nangokuyimisela to a point ukuthi kwaze kwenzeka ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi kuveleke amathuba ukuthi abasanda kufika enkampanini kwi-management level abakuma entry level positions kwe-management bathole ithuba lokuthi bahambe bavakashele ama-headquarters bayofunda izinto ezithile. Uthi ngahamba-ke ngalaphaya ngafike ngahlala nje overseas-ke lapha enkampanini, inkampani ngibhukhela ama-flights, indawo yokuhlala, accommodation, ukudla bayakhokha, ngine-allowance, ngi-right, ngimnandi nje ngihleli laphayana nje 3 months. Kwathi mekuphela u-3 months bathi bacela uku-extenda, bayabona ukuthi ngihlakaniphile, bawu-extend u-3 months bangifaka kwenye i-department, kwaba u-6 months ngaba kwi-position engazi ukuthi ithe uthi xaxa by the time ngibuyele emuva vele sengirenke up again because of le opportunity bekade ngiyitholile yokuya le overseas kuma-headquarters. Uthi mind you, u-brothers lo ngimshiyele emakhaya, mina sengihlala edolobheni elikhulu. Nangimshiye emakhaya angifuni uqamba amanga, ifocus yami kwakukusebenza nje kuphela, ngirenke up, ngibe right empilweni, ngiqale ngizithengele izinto ngoba ngathi mangibuya nje overseas ngendlela enganginemali ngayo ama-euro wami engangiwa-earna lapha ngesikhathi ngi-overseas nama-allowances wami amaningi, I was saving them ngoba ngangingawadingi. La ngangihlala khona babengikhokhele khona, I was being served i-breakfast nantambama ngangiyithola idini, so ngangingena stress nje, so kwakuyi-bed and breakfast, so ngangingena stress ngisho i-lunch by the time ngifika emsebenzini ngisuthi the whole day. And the mere fact ukuthi I was somebody owaye-deployiwe from South Africa, abantu babeng-enjoya, bengithokozela nini, there will be somebody who will offer me, oh let me take you to endaweni yokuthi and taste our food, yabona nje into ezikanjalo. So i-lunch nje into engangingakhathazeki ngayo, imali ngangingayisebenzisi at all. The only time when I was spending my money was over the weekend when I'm sightseeing, ngibona phela umhlaba ukuthi unjani. Phela mose uyitholile opportunity kanjalo fanele uphume phela ushaye indawo uthi 1 uthi 2 ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabeni sakhile, right? Uthi ya ngibuye-ke, uma ngibuya-ke I'm very focused, ngivele nje ngisebenze for a couple of months again, ngiphinde ngirenke up another position, ngibe right nje bese ngithenga imoto yami-ke. Uthi mind you, u-brothers uhleli le emakhaya akumhambeli Nkosi yami kahle, I don't wanna lie, akumhambeli kahle, uyafaka ama-CV, uyakwenza okwenziwayo. Sengize ngamzama ngisho nake-driver's license, wahamba wayokwenza i-driver's license ukuthi atop up-eke kule degree yakhe, uya-applya up to a point whereby wazithola esebenza ka-Shoprite. Okay, mesebenza ka-Shoprite uthi njalo mengifikile the way acomplaina ngakhona, ucomplaina every day lo muntu ukuthi ngifundile kanjani, akazi ukuthi unabhadilini, azasho nanokuthi nje cabanga nje sithando sami nje sesiyodonsa u5 years sithandana mina nawe, uma ngingathiwa nje ngisebenza kahle ngiyalithola nje ithuba lokuthi nje nami ngisebenze kahle njengawe, ngingakulobola nje siphele siqale sakhe lo muzi ngoba vele siqala ukuthandana sibancane, so kuyacaca vele ukuthi mina nawe sidalelweni. Uthi le ndaba ayiqale kancane yabo, iloku ingena sakucomplaina up to a point la azengiqonda khona athi ngeke ezibani. Usho ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi nje kule nkampani yakho enkulu kangaka nama-department amakhulu kangaka nama-branch all over South Africa akukho nje mina la engingangena khona nale qualification yami, noma ngingathiwa-ke i-position yokudriver kusenani ngoba vele ngino-code 14, I will find my way ukuthi ngigcine ngingene ngaphakathi ngibe right, as long as just nje a stepping stone. Uthi lapho kulowo mzuzu inkampani engiyisebenzelayo ayive i-strict when it comes to izinto ze-nepotism. I-strict ngale ndlela ukuthi mewuke kwatholakala ukuthi wena nozibani uhlobene kanje khona umkhoshosho wenzile wamtholela umsebenzi, uyaxoshwa, ngisho ukuxoshwa the way they are so intolerant of izinto ezihambisana ne-nepotism. Uthi into engizoyithini-ke le, uthi ingidle lento ngoba manje ekugcineni kosuku lo muntu lo kuyafana nokuthi ngiyamsupport. Lento ayishoyo ngiyayizwa ngoba uma ngabe kufanele ngivakashele la edolobheni elikhulu ayikho imali etheni ayiholayo Nkosi yami ukupheka ama-plastic e-Shoprite. So ngesinye isikhathi uyakwazi ukuyifikela kodwa mase kufanele makaphindele emuva, fanele ngimthengele ithikithi akwazi ukubuyela emuva, ngimtotose, yimina engimtotosayo ngoba phela mina engi-right, angisho mina impilo engihambele kahle. So manje nje kuyiloyo nto ukuthi I am more like a breadwinner, kodwa sishadile, asilobolene, akunalutho oluqhubakalayo. It's just a matter of a promise nje ukuthi yena ungithembisa ukuthi uma kungathiwa uyalithola ithuba angeke nje acucuze, uyovela ngilobole nje straight away udali. Okay, fine. Uthi ngiyicabange lento ngibone ukuthi hayi mhlambe there is a way engingamsiza ngayo ngoba ekugcineni kosuku it won't be a direct nepotism ngoba vele phela akayilutho nami either than ukuthi nje is just my partner. Siyazijolela kuphela, so it won't be a case that will stand mangabe bekhuluma indaba ukuthi inepotism kwathini. Uthi hayi ngithi hayi kulungile awuhlanganise i-CV yakho lapho sibone ke ukuthi ke siyipheka kanjani i-CV yakho ukuthi at least ke kube ukuthi iyakubeka ethubeni lokuthi uthole something at a junior level, yabona nje sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi hayi ihlanganise i-CV umlisa uthi nami ngiyithathe ngiyibuke ngikhokhe up ngibone ukuthi yini engingayishintsha lapha nalapha ukuze phela imbeke kwi-position yokuthi at least athole something le emabangeni aphansi enkampanini. Uthi hayi nangempela kwenzeke njalo, mekwenzeka njalo uvele wenze njalo nje akhona ama-positions akhona, kuhleze kunama-internship la ekhaya, kuhleze abantu abafika for ama-in-service but unfortunately aka-qualify for either of those because of i-degree yena ayenza. So ngigcine-ke uthi nje nasemsebenzini ngangingesiyena ngisho nanomuntu othanda ukuxoxa iy'ndaba nabantu ehlenyuka ephume ngena kuma-department, ngangumuntu nje ofocus ozinakela umsebenzi. Ngazithola-ke manje kufanele ngithole ochomi abaphethe in other departments that has ilokhunjana into ehambiselana ne-qualification yena ayifundele ukuze ngikwazi phela ukuthi sithole indlela ukuthi simfake Nkosi yami ngandlela thile ngoba phela nami ngikwi-management position. So ke mangabe noma khona nama-conference ama-workshops ngihlangana nabanye bakwezinye iy'ndawo ngibabuza abanama-position, kodwa nje kube ukuthi nje phela hhayi ukuthi ngibuza obvious, kodwa phela kuwukuthi phela ngoba we are allowed ukuthi u-refer abantu, kodwa into engekho allowed ukuthi ufake umuntu ngesandla sesinxele bese-ke kuba yi-nepotism. Uthi hayi nangempela-ke ngigcine ngimtholelile indlela yokuthi i-CV yakhe ingene, mayingena ku-CV yakhe-ke asambe siye ku-part 2 siyoza ukuthi iyangena i-CV yomfana kwasekwenzakalani, wasebenza umfana, waziphatha kahle or what. Wena ngalo mzuzu lo ungakhohlwa uku-like, ungakhohlwa uku-subscribe if ungasubscribile, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta. Bring positive comments, bring positive energy la ekhaya siyaphila, siyayithanda into e-positive, siyayithanda izinto ezihlekisayo nezinto ezimnandi. Don't forget ukuthi ama-channel memberships they are open. Silver memberships is only 20 rand per month. As long as you want, you cancel it anytime you want to, and it gives you exclusives because you get izinto before zingakwenzeki. Bheka njengoba I'm giving away a ticket to Nonto R's show to all silver members. If you are a silver member, you've got a ticket and you're in Durban, you must have your own transport, you must get yourself there, and you must make sure ukuthi uyayibuka i-episode that I did with uNonto R, right? Ake sek part 2 ke siyoza ukuthi kwenzakalani ku part 2.